Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a video using DID and a text generated by ChatGPT. In this video, we will show you step by step how to turn a written text into a video using DID, a powerful online video creation tool. This video was completely created by artificial intelligence. The next episode will show how to use artificial intelligence to create such beautiful pictures as in videos and how to voice presentations. Step 1. Generating the text. The first step is to generate the text you want to use for your video. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can help you generate high-quality text on any topic. To get started, simply visit the ChatGPT website and enter your topic or keywords. Once you have your text, copy and paste it into a document or text editor, making sure to keep the formatting intact. Step 2. Creating a DID account. The next step is to create an account on DID. Simply visit the DID website and sign up for a free account. Once you have created your account, log into the platform and you will be taken to the dashboard. Step 3. Creating a new video project. To create a new video project, click on the Create New Video button on the dashboard. This will take you to the video editor where you can start building your video. Step 4. Importing the text. To import the text generated by ChatGPT, click on the Import button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will open a new window where you can upload your text document. Once you have uploaded the document, DID will automatically detect the formatting and break the text into slides. You can then edit each slide as needed, adding images, animations, and other visual elements to bring your text to life. Step 5. Customizing your video. With the text imported, you can now customize your video to make it look and sound the way you want. DID provides a range of tools and features that allow you to add music, sound effects, voiceovers, and more. You can also choose from a variety of themes and templates to give your video a professional and polished look. And if you need help at any point, DID offers a range of tutorials and support resources to guide you through the process. Step 6. Exporting your video. Once you are happy with your video, it is time to export it. DID allows you to export your video in a range of formats, including MP4, AVI, and MOV. You can also choose from a range of resolution and quality settings to ensure your video looks great on any device. Conclusion. And that's it. With DID and ChatGPT, you can turn a written text into a professional-looking video in just a few easy steps. Whether you are creating a marketing video, a training video, or a tutorial, DID has everything you need to make your video stand out. So why not give it a try today and see what you can create? This video was completely created by artificial intelligence. The next episode will show how to use artificial intelligence to create such beautiful pictures as in videos and how to voice presentations.